Oh yeah, y'all don't even know about this shit.
You're listening to a Track Bangers production.
What we do about this town.
Everything.
What we do about this town.
Everything.
What we do about this town.
Everything.
What we do about this town.
When we build in the dough, baby, grill was on the headstand. Gyrating the ass like some helicopter blades. I was like, goddamn, man, can I catch a fade? And she came through the back where a nigga was sitting at. Asked me if I wanted to dance, I'm like, no. Being a cool motherfucker myself, I wasn't ghost. In and out the door like we came once before. Got my niggas got hooked up before we left, though. That's how it goes, nigga, that's just the business. Cause we got you to the end and we ain't playing cause we winning. Nigga straight off the jump, nigga been off the foot. Yeah, we never associate the moving gang with no hooks. All off the books, nigga, yeah, that's how we get it. Nigga, cash up front, no, we can't fuck with it. Understand my niggas out for making meal tickets. And these bitch niggas still out here tripping off these bitches. Bitches don't care long as you buying what they wear. Help them with their heels and do they fucking head. Tell them that they cute, they even lick the dude shoot. That's a nasty bitch, but that's what they do. Call them every day, nigga, just how I see them. Nigga, don't give a fuck, I'm off the chains NBC. Bitch, leave me, they just a sign it out and need a letter. Double back to the past, got feast off that nigga.